Hey everyone and welcome back to Electricity Frenzy, the channel where we explore all things related to electrical appliances and devices. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important topic that many of us may have wondered about. Can voltage drop damage your microwave? As an electrical engineer, I confidently say, yes, voltage drop can potentially damage your microwave and affect its performance. Let's break this down. Before we dive into this topic, let's first understand what voltage drop means. Voltage drop occurs when there is a loss of voltage in a circuit due to the resistance of the wires or other components in the circuit. This can lead to a decrease in the performance of the electrical devices connected to the circuit. Now, when it comes to microwaves, they are designed to operate at a specific voltage, typically 120 volts in the United States. Voltage plays a critical role in the operation of a microwave. The magnetron requires a high voltage to generate the microwaves needed to heat up the food. The high voltage transformer steps up the voltage from the power source to the level required by the magnetron. If the voltage drops below this level, it can cause a number of issues with the microwave, including decreased performance and potentially even damage to the appliance. One common cause of voltage drop is overloaded circuits. If you have too many electrical devices connected to a single circuit, it can cause the voltage to drop below the recommended level for your microwave. This can result in issues such as longer cooking times or even complete failure of the microwave. Another cause of voltage drop is poor wiring. If the wiring in your home is not properly installed or is damaged, it can lead to voltage drop and potential damage to your microwave. This is especially true if your home is older and the wiring is outdated. So, can voltage drop actually damage your microwave? The short answer is yes. If the voltage drops too low, it can cause damage to the internal components of the microwave, such as the magnetron or the control board. This can result in costly repairs or even the need to replace the entire appliance. So, there you have it. Voltage drop can indeed cause damage to your microwave. It's important to ensure that your home's electrical system is properly installed and that you're not overloading circuits with too many devices. If you suspect that your microwave has been damaged due to a voltage drop, it's important to have it inspected by a qualified electrician or appliance repair technician. How to know if the voltage is dropped? There are a few ways to determine if voltage drops are occurring in your electrical system. Here are some methods you can use to check for voltage drops. Use a digital voltmeter. A digital voltmeter is a tool that measures the voltage in an electrical circuit. You can use a voltmeter to check the voltage at the outlet where you plug in your microwave. If the voltage is below the recommended level, it could be an indication of a voltage drop. Check the circuit breaker. If your circuit breaker is tripping frequently or your microwave is not working properly, it could be an indication of a voltage drop. Check your circuit breaker panel to see if any breakers have tripped. If you notice that the same breaker trips repeatedly, it may be overloaded and cause voltage drops. Check for flickering lights. If you notice that the lights in your home are flickering or dimming when you turn on your microwave or other appliances, it could be a sign of voltage drops. Use an electrician. If you're not comfortable checking for voltage drops yourself, or if you suspect that your electrical system may be experiencing voltage drops, it's best to hire a licensed electrician to perform an inspection. An electrician can use specialized tools to measure the voltage in your electrical system and identify any issues. How to overcome voltage drop? There are several ways to overcome voltage drop in your electrical system, including 1. Use larger wire size. Using larger wire size with lower resistance can help to reduce the resistance in your electrical circuit and prevent voltage drop. This is especially important for long wire runs or circuits with high current loads. 2. Install a voltage regulator. A voltage regulator is a device that maintains a steady voltage level in an electrical circuit. Installing a voltage regulator can help to prevent voltage drops caused by fluctuations in the electrical supply. 3. Limit the number of devices on a circuit. Overloading a circuit can cause voltage drops, so it's important to limit the number of electrical devices that are connected to each circuit. If you find that a circuit is frequently overloaded, you may need to install additional circuits to distribute the load more evenly. 4. Upgrade your electrical service. If you have an older electrical system or if you're experiencing frequent voltage drops, you may need to upgrade your electrical service to handle the load. This may involve upgrading your service panel, installing a new service entrance, or upgrading your transformer. 5. Hire a licensed electrician. If you're experiencing voltage drops in your electrical system, it's important to hire a licensed electrician to perform an inspection. An electrician can help to identify the cause of the voltage drops and recommend the best solution to overcome the issue. Thanks for watching this episode of Electricity Frenzy. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. See you in the next one.